To improve battery life on POCO M8 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings. Now, usually we could browse through different options that we can find right here, but this POCO device supports a nice feature that allows you to actually check up your battery usage and then deactivate unwanted options to improve that battery life. So here in battery, click on battery checkup. After that, you will find different options that you can toggle on and off. Next to them, you can also see the time on how much battery time you will get by disabling them. So for example, first thing is close apps that drain battery. It will close running apps that consume your battery, and you can activate it. For me, it gives 5 additional minutes for battery life. Then we can don't allow apps to auto start. You can get additional time for that if you have many different apps. You can enable adjust brightness automatically, which gives additional 5 minutes. And then there's suggestions on the bottom. And this will also grant you a lot of battery. So for example, we have turn on dark mode, which will switch from light mode that I have right here. The background will change from white to black. And this will give you 26 minutes. So we can activate this. Then there's turn off always on display. If you want, you can. If not, then you can leave it out. It gives me additional 5 minutes. Then we can lower our refresh rate of screen to 60 Hz. You can also do it for additional time. Clear memory 10 minutes after locking device. You can enable this option. You can disable location service if needed. Turn off the vibration touches if that is the haptic feedback. You can don't wake screen for notifications. Lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity, and then you might find something called optimized on the bottom. You can then activate some of those options to also grant additional battery time. So as you can see right here, after we sum up everything, I will get additional 1 hour and 18 minutes of battery after disabling some of those options. So let's do it. And now here I have 8 hours and 25 minutes of battery. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.